This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. The fuel filter is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the heater element on the top of the filter. Squeeze together the clips each side and pull the fuel hose from filter head. Be prepared for fuel spillage and plug the end of the hose to prevent contamination. Depress the clip and disconnect the water sensor wiring plug from the base of the filter. Attach a length of plastic tubing to the drain port at the base of the filter, then open the port and drain the fuel into a container. When the fuel has finished draining, close the port and disconnect the tubing. Reconnect the wiring plug to the water sensor. Slacken the filter housing cover retaining ring using the Vauxhall Opal special tool or a suitable aftermarket alternative. Remove the ring, then lift the filter head along with the element from the housing. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Recover the sealing ring from the top of the filter housing. Clean the inside of the housing, removing any dirt and debris. Twist the element clockwise and pull it from the filter head. Wipe clean the filter head. Align the arrow on the filter head with the arrow on the element. Then firmly press the new element onto the filter head. Note that in some filter elements no arrow is provided. Locate the new sealing ring on the top of the housing and lubricate it with a little clean fuel. Manoeuvre the filter head and element into position, aligning the fuel hose port and wiring plug socket. Clean the threads of the retaining ring and lubricate them with a little clean fuel. Refit the ring to the filter housing, tighten it by hand, taking care not to cross-thread it. Now fit the special tool to the retaining ring and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the sealing cap and press the fuel hose firmly into the port of the filter head. Ensure the clips engage correctly. Reconnect the heater element wiring plug. Prime the system by switching on the ignition 3 times for approximately 15 seconds each time. Operate the starter for a maximum of 30 seconds. If the engine does not start within this time, wait 5 seconds and repeat the procedure. When the engine starts, run it at a fast idle speed for a minute or so to purge any trapped air from the fuel lines. After this time, the engine should idle smoothly at a constant speed. If the engine idles roughly, then there is still some air trapped in the fuel system. Increase the engine speed again for another minute or so, then allow it to idle. Repeat this procedure as necessary until the engine is idling smoothly. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.